Hi, I'm Mark Smith from IBM Consulting. Let me tell you about how one manufacturer empowered their people to create Power BI reports, resulting in a staggering 535% increase in their business in just 2 years. Your SAP solution serves as the backbone of your organization's delivering performance, scalability, and security. You can build apps, automate processes, and analyze data by leveraging the seamless integration between SAP and the Microsoft Power Platform, an intuitive and extensible low-code toolset. Before implementing the new solution, the manufacturer's business intelligence department was bottlenecked in creating reports and dashboards for the organization. As a result, report development was extremely slow. The manufacturer empowered business users to generate and visualize their own BI reports, giving them access to the data they needed to make the best possible decisions. The business intelligence department now spends its time on architecture and processes, while business users have taken over the role of creating reports. Microsoft's Power Platform empowers organizations to achieve more with less. With low-code development, experts in your business can use what they know about your organization to create solutions that save time and resources. If you want to know more, email me, mark.smith@ibm.com, or directly message me on LinkedIn.